Guys, today we're looking at Intel and the fact that Nancy Pelosi bought between 1 and 5 million shares of Intel. And she has magic hands, right? She's always winning. I mean, her net worth versus her salary, right? So basically, if we look at the max for Intel, we can see the J, the hockey stick right there, right? Imagine you participated in that run. So basically, the emphasis is that the government got the 10% stake ownership in Intel around $20, and somebody got into it because of it, and it began going up. But here was the announcement of Intel relationship with Elon Musk Terafab about the space data centers, about the Optimus chips, about Tesla chips, about Starlink chips. And basically now it tripled in price, 300% in 3 months. Not bad, right? And you should watch the politicians. This is the emphasis about Nancy Pelosi, right? Buy. And basically 1 to 5 million. She bought at 114, so she made a pretty penny because it's 147 right now. But the future is bright because entire capitalization of Intel is only $600 billion. So it can definitely go and be a $1 trillion company in the future. So visit Politic for all intelligence and 33,000 trades by politicians to see what they buy, what they sell, how many of them are swimming in a particular direction. You do that by going to analytics. And basically, you can hop on 90 days, for example, the last 90 days, and you can see where they're going, how many buys and sells they're doing. And when you do 100 on the page, you can just see which one is zero. So, for example, here, 0 sells and 9 buys, PANW, PANW. So you just want to look that ticker symbol up and see how the price is moving, what's going on. But for today, we only covered Intel. But this will be short snippet bits of kind of releases that we're going to do for you so you can get educated on what's going on in the market. And this page is really nice about Motley Fool employees that are holding, what they're holding, so you can feel comfortable, following them as well. And you have many pages right here just to see what they have. And obviously the overlay is very powerful, right? Because you overlay the hedge fund, the Motley Fool, and the politicians on it. It's loading the data for 365 days. We're going to change it to 90 days default. And you can do like 3 years or 1 year later so that the initial loading of the database doesn't take that long. But, here we go. It's up. Unique ticker symbol 67 in the last 365 days where the overlays are occurring. And you can just see what's going on. 12 buys by politicians, 6 sells by politicians of coin. And, ARK Invest added 67,000 shares. But if you click here, then we can see that 183 fools, 475,000 shares, 63 buys, 36 sells. So it just gives you, safer bets so that you can make the right decisions for your portfolio and long-term health, wealth, and future generations in terms of horizon of planning. Thank you and have a good day. Bye.